How to delete your Temu account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete a Temu account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete a Temu account, all you have to do is go to temu.com, or you can also choose to launch the Temu app instead. And after you've done that, just make sure to hit the orders and accounts button. Don't hit it, you can just go ahead and click on this tab here. Once you're here on this page, on the left hand side you can just go to account security, as you can find here. And once you go to account security, you can see all these details, but scroll down here, you'll find a little pop-up that says delete your Temu account. So now all you have to do is make sure to click this little button here, select I want to permanently delete it, and then hit the continue option, and then you should be able to go ahead and then delete your Temu account. This way you'll be able to delete your Temu account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.